So we're all trying to get some sort of long-lasting shine out of our vehicle, something to get to last. We're all passionate about our vehicles, about our cars and trucks that we drive. And we always want them looking the best. But if you're trying like these waxes and paint sealants or these overhyped products that you see advertised on Facebook or wherever, and you keep spending all this money on this stuff and it just doesn't work. After a couple washes, it looks like it's gone. And that's because it is. But my question is why are you still using this stuff? And have you ever thought about the time that you spend reapplying this stuff because it's not lasting? I know it's frustrating. You're spending all this time, energy, and money on these products and they just don't last. A couple washes, looks like it's gone and you're reapplying it again. So you look at this Mustang that we just did. It's an 07 Mustang we just finished up. And the reason why those products don't last is because they're just a layer that's just sitting on top of the surface. They don't actually bond to the paintwork and they just sit on the surface of the vehicle. And that's why you're not getting that long-lasting shine that you're looking for. There's better solutions out there. There's products that we use that actually bond to the surface and give you that long-lasting shine. And it's for years, not weeks, not maybe a month or two. So if you're passionate about your vehicle, you want something that's going to last for years, and you want that Beyond Showroom Shine that we always deliver, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. And I'll talk to you soon.